Yeah, this one dance hall
There's a
again.
mustard on the fucking on the radio.
Yeah, I take it serious. Round them up, rubber. With a buster shot. Buju No. Toronto. The fucking T-Dot. This is a Glock 19 track. You might get shot if you got the 19-year-old card. Come up into the fucking bar star. Yeah, you go hard, you play hard, man. Yo, you ain't even go for par. Stand guard. You wanna stand up with your Glock? Yeah, pull it out your sock and try to rock. Yeah, your Glock 19 now, son. Yeah, ready to man the fuck up, dog. How many bodies you got, dog, on your Glock? Is your Glock rocked on the block? Is it fucking dirty yet, huh? Tell me what's up. Yeah, where you at with your Glock, huh? Glock 19, dog. You a Glock 19. Up in the bar, fucking scene. Running hot, dog. Yeah, you a hot one. Yeah, running it up. Thinking you got your badge and your fucking goddamn gun. You ain't no cop, dog. Yeah, you a the hot shot. Yeah, you the top dog. No, you ain't a baller, dog. Yeah, you the Glock 19, son. Slow it down, dog. Yeah, before you get your body run. Yeah, you better get your card number done. Yeah, you don't know, man. This ain't Buju bouncing, son. Yeah, this is a real talking one. Yeah, come back. This is a Glock 19, son. You up in the bar, dog. Watch out, man, when you're riding your whip, your car. Man, when you bang up on the strip, kid. Glock 19, man, you might get hit. You might get rolled up on by some bloods and crip. You don't know what's next, dog. You want to test one, huh? You want to come up, man, think you're a bad man, huh? Yeah, you're a waste man, you're a waste youth. You don't know what come back, man, the gun shoot. Yeah, we shoot off the lounge. We shoot off the rounds. Everybody go down real quick, child. Watch out now, a Glock 19 coming out. Watch out, dog, the bar just let out. Whoa, now. Yeah, you're back on the strip. Walking with your bitch, man, holding hands and shit. Watch out, man, you might get clipped in the back. You don't know how the game run. It's a Glock 19, kid. You want to come out hard, you want to come out hard. You think you'll run the fucking spot, You ain't too fucking hard. You are Glock 19, dog. You still a young pup, Glock 19's on the block. Glock 19's coming up, calling up for the fucking backup, dog. You're gonna need a little backup, cause when the ops come running up, you're gonna fucking get slapped up. Yeah, with a whack one. You're gonna get slapped up, man. Do some fucking lights, cam, fucking action. You're gonna come up, man. You're gonna get run up, your number get called, kid. Glock 19 up in the spot. Glock 19, man, we bust off the infrared, right off the Garrett top, man, I take you off. Yeah, take a little off the top, dog. Yeah, you the top shot, watch out. We coming up, call the general up. You want to get some extra fucking backup? What? Glock 19, you a star. Come on up, man, we'll play your fucking card, live large. Yeah, you got the 4-car garage. Yeah, you be Tiger Woods with the 4 on the fucking paw. You don't know what up, star. You ain't down with the Hollywood Boulevard yet. There, slow it down, put the car in park. Still a Glock 19, son. Hard.
Shit.